Good morning, distinguished keynote speaker, respected scholar, and participant. It is a great honor for me to be part of the EduCon Tokyo International Conference on Education held on April 14, 2026. My name is Dr. Anton Adi Suryo Kusuma, and today I am pleased to present my research entitled Analyze critical thinking among field-dependent and field-independent students in solving mathematical problems. Mathematics play a fundamental role in developing student logical, analytical, and problem-solving skills. However, students demonstrate diverse approaches when solving mathematical problems, influenced by the understanding, strategic, and thinking process. One important factor that contributes to this difference is student cognitive style, particularly field-dependent and field-independent style, which affect how they process information and insights into critical thinking. Therefore, this study aims to analyze student critical thinking process in solving mathematical problems based on their cognitive style. In this presentation, I will brief discuss the research background, methodology, finding, and implication of this study. Background research 1. Mathematics is fundamental subject that develop student logical, analytic, and problem-solving skill. Lykova and Need 2021. Highland et al. 2025. Fong et al. 2025. Number two, students show diverse response in solving mathematical problem influenced by different in understanding, strategic, and thinking process. Ivan et al. 2025, Butelho et al. 2023. Critical thinking is essential in mathematical because it is enables students to analyze, evaluate, and draw logical conclusion in problem solving. Terplans et al. 2025, Leibovic et al. 2025. Previous research, Garcia Carmona 2023 highlight that critical thinking is a key element in effective learning process. Cheng et al. 2022 explained that critical thinking involves interpretation, analysis, strategy, formula, and evaluation. Kyokola et al. 2022 found that field-independent students tend to be more creative and capable of solving complex problems. Kavipor and Nording 2021 distinguish cognitive style into field-dependent and field-independent, influencing how students process information. Research purpose. This study aimed to analyze the critical thinking process of students in solving mathematical problems based on their cognitive style, field dependent and field independent. Research purpose. Research approach. Qualitative research with grounded theory design. Research subject. 5th grade elementary student categories into FD and FI using GEFT. Data collection. The data collection method used where the group embedded embedded figure test GEFT, a problem solving test, and in depend interview. Data validity and data analysis. The research used through methodological and source triangulation to ensure data validity. Data analysis use conducts through data recollection, data display, and conclusion drawing or verification. Research result, field independent student S1 and S2. 1. Able to complete all traits of critical thinking, focus, reason, inference, clarification, overview. Number 2. Show structure, logical, and well-documented problem-solving step. Field independent student, S3 and S4. 1. Strong is understanding context and inclusion. Number 2. Weak in writing detail, reasoning, and systematic step. Discussion. 1. Cognitive style signification affects student critical thinking process in solving mathematical problem. Number 2. Feel independent student demonstrate more analysis and structure thinking. Number 3. File dependent student rely more on institution and contextual understanding rather than explicit reasoning. Number 4. This finding reinforce that learning strategies should consider student cognitive style and to optimize outcome. Distinguished participant, in conclusion, this study conclude that field independent or FI student demonstrate more complete and structured mathematical critical thinking across all stakes. Will field dependent or FD, students tend to rely on intuition and show limitation in expressing systematic reason. This finding confirms that cognitive style significantly influence student problem-solving process and highlight the importance of differentiated learning approach to support both FI and FD student effectively. Thank you very much for your attention. Uh, Good morning, everybody.